wish they made that liquid cocaine. I would not have to snort my pain away. Well, I wish I would have hopped up on that train. Maybe I wouldn't be out here stuck in all this rain. And I know this town, it's so full of hate. Can hide and pass the time is the only escape. And they make heroes here, but none of you wear capes. Send you out on missions you would much rather not face. But if only I could get me a taste of that bitter sugar, that liquid cocaine. Oh, I wish they made that liquid cocaine. I would not have to snort my pain away. I wish they made liquid cocaine. I would not have to snort my pain away. And the love of my life just won't get out my brain. Seems now that that love is gone, it's all flushed down the drain. Those memories, they are driving me insane. I need something to get me by, but I know I should abstain. I wish I could tolerate my sober frame. Instead, I live here in this cycle of shame. Oh, I know, looking back, I'm the only one to blame. I know, moving on, things will never be the same. When I was younger, I was warmed by my own flame. I got too close, things got too hot, I burned everything away. It was a monster, just could not be tamed. Enough to make the child inside me wanna hide away. Well, I wish they made liquid cocaine. I would not have to snort my pain away. I wish they made liquid cocaine. I would not have to smoke my pain away. I would have gone the distance, would have walked a mile, if only when I got there I could see you for a while. I'd give it all up just to go back to the same. Now all I hunt for is that liquid cocaine. I wish made liquid cocaine. I would not have to store my pain away. I wish they made that liquid cocaine. I would not have to store my pain away. Oh, 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 oh.